Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to recover your WordPress password on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first thing, visit your website address, then add wp-admin. Hit enter, you will see this login form. Click on lost your password. Here, fill in the profile, your WordPress profile username or email address. In my case, I will go with my email address, ben@dotcom.builders. Click on get new password. Then check your email inbox for the confirmation link. And almost instantly, I've received the password recovery email message. Click on it. Then click on this on this long link like that, and you will see this page, or you will land on this page where you can set your new password. You can generate a password, a hard password like this, or fill in your password here. And if your password is weak, confirm or check this box next to confirm use of weak password. After this, don't forget to save your password. Don't forget to hit this save password button to recover or to change your password. Now let's say that you don't remember your username or email address in order to fill it here and to start this recover password. The other way to do this is, or the other way to recover your WordPress password is to log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites, and next to your WordPress website that you want to recover its password. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And next to your WordPress website that you want to recover its password, click on WP admin. This way you will directly log into your WordPress dashboard, and from there you can reset your password. Go to users, click on edit below your profile, and scroll down to new password and click on set new password. And here just click on hide or show, fill in your recovery password and click on update profile. And from this moment, this password you've just set here, it will be your current password. And this is how to recover your WordPress password on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.